I'm a car guy at heart, there's nothing like the growl of a V8 or the scream of a supercharger. But let's shift gears and talk about the engines that actually take us above the clouds. The jet engine is the powerhouse and soul of any airplane. Without it, a plane is just a stunning sculpture of metal, grounded and going nowhere. Jet engines are true wonders of engineering, strong, dependable, and incredibly precise. They inhale massive gulps of air, compress it, mix in fuel, and set it all on fire. That fiery reaction blasts out thrust, launching a heavy jet down the runway and into the sky. Imagine a controlled tornado, all contained inside a metal cylinder. The parts inside have to survive insane heat and crushing pressure. Every breakthrough in jet engine tech means safer, cheaper, and more efficient flights for everyone. Fuel is the biggest expense for airlines, so squeezing out more efficiency is a huge deal. Smarter engines mean lower fares and cleaner skies. The quest to build the ultimate engine never lets up. When a company rolls out a truly revolutionary engine, it shakes up the whole industry. It raises the bar for what's possible in flight. And right now, that's exactly what's happening. One of the most iconic names in engineering has just created an engine that could rewrite the rules. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a giant leap forward. Picture flying farther, quieter, and greener than ever before. This new engine is a real game changer. It's the product of decades of fierce innovation and rivalry. The tech inside is stretching the limits of what we thought was possible. It's not just about raw power, it's about efficiency, dependability, and a cleaner future. The next era of flight is here, and it all starts with the engine. So, what's this new engine, and why is the whole aviation world buzzing? Let's dig in and see how it's about to change the way we fly. Get ready to meet the future of aviation. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. When you hear Rolls-Royce, luxury cars probably come to mind first. But here's the twist. They're also titans in the world of aviation. For more than 100 years, Rolls-Royce has crafted engines people trust with their lives. From the iconic Merlin powering W2 Spitfires to today's cutting-edge airliners, they've always set the standard for power and reliability. And now, in 2025, they've introduced something extraordinary: the UltraFan. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a total reinvention of the jet engine. Years of research and billions in investment have fueled a leap to a whole new generation. The UltraFan is the product of relentless innovation and vision. Rolls-Royce set out to build an engine that's more efficient, quieter, and greener than ever before. Every part was reimagined, with new materials and breakthrough designs. The UltraFan isn't just a single engine, it's a flexible family, ready for all types of aircraft. It's a bold move, betting big on the future of flight. The buzz is everywhere. Airlines, pilots, and aviation fans can't stop talking about it. This engine is a true marvel of modern engineering. It's built to power the next wave of aircraft, from the biggest to the most nimble. The excitement is electric, and it's easy to see why. The UltraFan is about to change the game in aviation. This isn't just another engine, it's the dawn of a new era. So, what makes the UltraFan so revolutionary? Let's dive in. So, what's the secret sauce behind the UltraFan? Let's dive in and find out. Up front, you've got a gigantic fan, 140 inches wide, crafted from carbon fiber and finished with a tough titanium edge. Those huge featherweight blades move more air, but add hardly any extra weight. Thanks to a high bypass ratio, most of the thrust comes from that big fan, not the hot core, making the engine incredibly efficient. There's also a power gearbox tucked between the fan and the core. This clever setup lets the fan turn slower while the turbine spins faster, each running at its sweet spot. Think of it like your car's perfect transmission, always in the right gear. Advanced materials mean the engine can run hotter and squeeze out even more efficiency. The payoff? About 25% better fuel efficiency compared to older engines. It's not just powerful, it's quieter and cleaner too. Every single part is fine-tuned for top performance. The UltraFan isn't just one big leap, it's a whole series of breakthroughs working in harmony. It's a complete reimagining of what a jet engine can be. This is what the future of flight looks like. But what does all this mean for pilots and passengers? Let's take a look. For pilots, the UltraFan is nothing short of a dream come true. It's engineered for top-notch reliability, packed with smart sensors that can spot maintenance needs before they ever become an issue. That means pilots can fly over vast oceans and rugged mountains with even greater peace of mind. Thanks to its incredible efficiency, planes can now travel farther, unlocking new non-stop routes around the world. And with more thrust, aircraft perform better at high-altitude airports or in scorching hot weather. The UltraFan is also impressively quiet. cutting down on vibration and delivering a smoother ride for everyone on board. Less noise and less vibration mean pilots and crew feel less fatigue, even on long journeys. Its advanced systems make the engine smarter, working hand in hand with the aircraft's computers. Pilots enjoy more control and a safer, more comfortable flight experience. It's like stepping up from a classic car to a state-of-the-art supercar. With the UltraFan, pilots have a true partner in the cockpit. It's a giant leap forward in both safety and performance. So, what does the UltraFan mean for you as a traveler? The first thing you'll notice is the quiet. Seriously, it's a game changer. With the UltraFan, cabins are noticeably more tranquil, letting you actually relax. Chat with your neighbor, catch a movie, or drift off to sleep. No more engine roar drowning everything out. For nervous flyers, that calm makes a huge difference. Less noise, less stress. Plus, the UltraFan's efficiency could mean more direct routes and maybe even roomier, more comfortable cabins. Airlines saving big on fuel might pass those savings on to you with better seats or upgraded amenities. And with advanced health monitoring, flights are more reliable. Fewer delays to mess up your plans. Maintenance is handled before problems pop up, so last-minute cancellations are way less likely. The UltraFan brings a new level of predictability and comfort to flying. From takeoff to touchdown, it's simply a better way to fly. For airlines, the UltraFan isn't just an engine, it's a financial revolution. Fuel is their #1 cost, but this engine slashes it by a whopping 25%. That's millions of dollars saved on every plane year after year. Suddenly, new routes make sense. Airlines can offer more direct flights and give travelers more options. And when fuel prices spike, airlines aren't left sweating bullets. The UltraFan is engineered for durability, meaning less time in the shop and more time in the sky. Its flexible design works for everything, from nimble single-aisle jets to the largest wide-bodies. More shared parts mean easier training and simpler maintenance for crews. It streamlines operations and drives even more savings. The UltraFan ramps up productivity and gives airlines the flexibility they crave. Bottom line, it's a smart bet for the future. The UltraFan isn't just a leap in engineering, it's a win for the planet. By burning 25% less fuel, every flight slashes its carbon emissions by a quarter. Its next-gen combustion system also reduces nitrogen oxides and tiny particulates. That means cleaner air around airports and a lighter touch on our environment. Plus, the UltraFan is much quieter, shrinking the noise footprint for people living near airports. It's built to run on 100% sustainable aviation fuel, made from renewable resources. As SAF becomes more common, the UltraFan will help drive aviation's net carbon emissions down to almost zero. This engine is built for a sustainable tomorrow. It's not just about efficiency, it's about being truly cleaner. The UltraFan is paving the way to greener skies. It's technology that makes a difference now, and sets us up for the future. The future of eco-friendly aviation starts right here. The UltraFan isn't just another engine, it marks the dawn of a whole new chapter in aviation. This is a revolution, not just an upgrade. Aircraft will be reimagined to harness its power. Think longer wings, more direct flights, and smarter economics. Flying could soon be easier on your wallet and open to more people than ever. UltraFan sets a new standard for efficiency, quiet operation, and lower emissions. This kind of innovation pushes the entire industry to new heights. It's a leap forward, just like the first jets or the arrival of the jumbo jet. A true milestone. The ripple effects will shape air travel for generations. Next time you're on a plane, pay attention to the engines. They're the soul of flight. Thanks to UltraFan, that soul is now quieter, cleaner, and more powerful than ever. The future of flying has arrived, and it sounds incredible. Rolls-Royce has truly rewritten the rules. Welcome to aviation's next era.